Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am going to unbox one UPS, that is this is very much important for the case of running computers uninterruptedly and seamlessly, and also we can use this UPS for running modems, for cameras in the household system. And this is a company Luminous, which is very much popular, and branding is done by Sachin Tendulkar, and it is now the super brand. It is written here, it is super brand. And the product item known as, the name of the product is Luminous Pro 600, and this UPS has so many features, salient features. It is written one by one here. I will dictate one by one. And the price of the product, I have chosen this product because so many salient features are there. It is reasonable price, and company is also good, and the last of that is you will get 2 years on-site warranty, not only on the UPS but also on the battery. On-site warranty means if you face any problem on the UPS, then if you call engineers of this Luminous company, they will come to your home and repair the product, and you will be covered 2 years, and that is very good side of this company. That's why I have chosen it. And now the salient features, it is written here: microcontroller based design, generator compatible, smart charge plus intelligent continuous charging profile adjustment for longer battery life and faster charging, 3 battery backed output sockets. I will show you after opening the product. Wide input voltage window, that is range from 140 to 300 volt. For any type of fluctuations in the input voltage, the UPS will control them. Sleep mode charging, overload protection fuse, audio and visual alarms, automatic voltage regulation, cold start capable, allows PC to boot on battery, fast charging. It is very good side, that is a fast charging, 4 to 6 hours it will get charged. No load shutdown, prevents battery deep discharge. It is super brand, I have told you. 24 month you will get the warranty, that is on-site warranty on UPS. Battery, you will get 24 months of warranty on battery. Total protection from the voltage and fluctuations, ISO company. And these are the 24/7 service support. These are the 2 toll-free numbers are given here. Regulated output voltage window, no load shutdown on the UPS written here. It is 600 VA, means it is written rating 600 VA. Voltage into ampere means power. So it is 600 watt, but you will not that power. Power will be 1/3 or 1/5 of that. We have seen this is 2/5 of that. That is 360 watt you will get. So now open the product. So after opening the box, you can see this is well packed. Now already we have opened, and this is the user manual. You can read this if you get time. So all the things, how to operate the UPS, how to charge the UPS, what precautions you have to take, all is written one by one here. So keep it aside and go to the main unit. So long wire, and you can see the UPS is looking good. And this is the front side of the UPS, you can see, and it is written here clearly Luminous. In the blue color it is written Luminous, and it is Pro 600. And you can see there are 3 indicators, notification light, and you can see the green light means it is on online, that means power is there, and it is a yellow light, that means it is charging condition, and there is a red notification light LED, which means the battery is running out, that means battery is low charge. And this is the power button, and this is the back side of the UPS, you can see, and it is also good looking, and 3 outputs are there, and this is the fuse. This is a fuse option. Overall the product is very good, and it is written something here, you can see how to switch the UPS on off correctly. It is written always keep the utility power to the UPS on. Use the switch on the front panel of UPS to turn the connected equipment on or off. To switch on the UPS, press the power switch until LED starts glowing. To switch on the UPS, press the power switch until LED starts glowing. In case UPS trips due to overload, it can be reset by pressing the power switch after reducing load on UPS. And here also you can see one sticker is there. It is clearly showing model number is LV600 Pro. Input 230 volt AC, output 230 volt 50-60 Hz 2.6 ampere, and capacity is 600 VA 360 watt. So I will show you just connecting this UPS with the power socket, so stay tuned. I have connected it with the power socket. Now if we switch it on without power, I have not switched on the powering it on. So you can see notification light shows that it is on without power. That means the battery, it is running on the battery inside it. Frequent beep you will hear. And now I am switching it on power. You can see it is showing that it is on now the available power which is running, which is online power is there. So thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you.